Back now on Today in AZ, Betty White is an American icon, and her 6-decade career has touched the lives of millions of people all around the world.
I mean, how could you not love this woman? We were all heartbroken to hear that she passed away at her home late last month at 99 years old. Though she will be missed, her career and her charity work will live on. And this is pretty special. Yeah, this morning, Team 12's Tram Mai got to sit down with the creator, who's using her love for Betty White and the Golden Girls to inspire her next big project.
You get to experience what it would have been like to have been in the live studio audience. And it's just a really, really good time. We hope that people laugh a lot. It's very nostalgic for all the fans. You'll hear some of the classic lines from the show and hopefully have some great memories.
Oh, I love it. Okay, you know, it's been 30 years, though, since the last episode. You're doing a show that is still resonating with so many people. What do you think the secret is to its longevity beyond TV?
I think the show was very ahead of its time. The humor really holds up. They tackle a lot of very important issues, a lot of progressive issues that were very taboo at the time and now are even still issues today. And really, the show is about relationships. And these girls love each other so much. And as much as their humor is about them being a little bit mean to each other, really, they're a family.
Now, on your website, the show is marketed as calling all girls, gays, and grannies. Why does it appeal to each of these groups?
I think it appeals to everybody. But, you know, we have had the Golden Girls in general has had kind of a longstanding history as being a part of gay culture. So we definitely want to embrace everybody from that community. And we also want to embrace everybody that has watched the show while it aired. But it's really a show for everyone.
Obviously, this show is so timeless, such a classic spanning all generations. Samantha, you portray Golden Girls' favorite, Rose, played by the one and only Betty White. What's it like to portray such a beloved character? Was there any added pressure?
It's so amazing, to be honest. Betty White has left such an amazing legacy. She's beloved by everybody. Obviously, it's been a little bit hard because we've done 2 shows since Betty White has no longer been with us. And the response has been overwhelmingly positive. And it really just makes me want to preserve her legacy even more.
What do you find so special and unique about playing Rose?
Oh, she's so lovable. She's lovable and she's a little bit dim. And it's the most fun to play.
Well, Samantha, thank you for being a friend to us on 12 News. We look forward to seeing the show when you come to town.
Absolutely.
Very nice.